bar and grass. This is a bar. Look at the bar's beak. It is long or short. Look at the bar's leg. Are they long or short? Is this bird stalk? No, it is not a stalk. What color is it? What color is the bird's beak? Look at the bird. It is in the sky. The sky is blue. Can you see the cloud? It is white. Look at the clock. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is shining. Look at the egg. It is very tired and very hot. It is looking for some water. The bird is going down. What can you see? It can see trees and houses. It is a river. No, it is not a river. It is a road. The bird is going down. What can you see? It can see a trees and it can see a sea. Look at the ships. Look at the seas. There is, but the cannot drink it. It is soaked in the water. What can the boy see now? He can see a house. It is going down. Now we going down. Now we can see a house. Near the window is a table. There is a
glass.
There is a glass on the table. It is a but it is there is a
Some
water in the at the bottom of the glass. There is
near
the one leg in front of the bug. It is dog's bow. The bar is very tight and very hot. Goodbye.